Okay, we're looking at cumulative frequency here. Now, cumulative frequency, or a cumulative, accumulate, so you're accumulating the frequency as you go along. So up to this point, the frequency is 14, and I'll have to do it in red in the same box. Up to this point, the frequency is 40, so 14 add 26. To this point, 52. Up to the end is 60. Okay, now I plot those points, okay, and I'm going to just change the colour. So I plot it, go along 20 and up to 14, along 40, up to 40, along 60, up to 52, along 80. So you're plotting at the top of the group. Alright, so here we go. So what is it? 20, 14. Now, I know this isn't going to be very easy for me. 40, 40. Oops, that's not quite spot on. Actually, no, that's pretty good. There we go. 52, 60, 52. It's about there. Alright, and then we get up to there. Now, what you tend to get there is a sort of stretched out S shape. Now, nowadays you're supposed to join up the points between join up the points with a ruler. Okay, now you can also do that, but if you like, you get a stretched out S. There's kind of a stretched out S. All right, if you do it freehand, when I was at school you had to do it freehand, but now you tend to do it with a ruler between the points. I obviously can't use a ruler because I'm doing it all online. Now then, to estimate the median. Okay, now the median is halfway. Now we've used 60. We've gone up to 60. There are 60 people. Okay, half of that. All right, and because it's an estimate, we just go to 30, read across and down. Oh wow, look, it's 30. So I've read across there and down. Actually, it's just before. It's 29. It's not quite 30. So estimate of the median, all right, is 29. Okay, so it should go down there. Now, if you use a ruler, that should be fine. You'll get parameters because everyone's graph will be ever so slightly different, but there you go. All right, now for the IQR. Now that's the interquartile range. I need to go from the lower quartile, which is 15. So I'm going to go 15, read across and down. That's 22. Okay, and the upper quartile, 45. I'm going to read. There you go. They're pretty straight lines, these. I'm quite impressed with myself here. So that would be 48. 48 minus 22 gives me 26 for an interquartile range. Okay, and that says estimate because I'm using my graph, so it's not going to be bang on accurate, but it's going to give me a good indication. Now then, last one. Here we go. Now, estimate how many people in the club are older than 50. So what I'm going to do is go to 50, which is there, read across. Now I've got, what is that, 47. So actually, sorry, I put that in slightly the wrong place. There we go. So 47 there. Now actually it's how many people are older than 47. So it's that bit. So it's actually that bit of the curve I want, isn't it? So actually I need to do total number of people minus, why did I put 49? I said 47, I wrote 49. Silly me. Anyway, 47. And so actually there are 13 people older than 50. Okay, because it's this little bit here that I'm looking for. Okay, so above that line here. Okay, but cumulative frequency, just remember, plot the top of the group. Right. Cumulative frequency graphs can't go down because you're constantly accumulating frequency. So even if a group has nothing, you can't go down because you've got the frequency you had before. All right, but there you go.